here I open the Google Chrome. So I'll just open here the one profile and just go to the right hand side and click on the Google Apps icons, and here you can see the Google Meet is showing. Simply click on it, and here you can see the Google Meet.com is website is open. Now just go to the right hand side and click on this three dot and just drag below the option and click on the cast, save and share option. Okay, when you keep cursor on it, here you can see there are options showing install Google Meet. Simply click on it, and here the one message pop up, install app. Click on the install, and that's it. Your Google Meet is installed. With this, would you like to pin the Google Meet to your taskbar? So I just yes, and that's it. Now I close this and go to the desktop, and here you see your Google Meet is installed. With this, the in taskbar also it's pinned. Okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.